Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making gingerbread cupcakes with marshmallow buttercream frosting. Cupcakes are going to be tender and fluffy and they're going to be brimming with spiced deep molasses flavor and topped with that smooth marshmallow buttercream frosting. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixers giveaway. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on these cupcakes that pretty much taste like Christmas. So to get started, grab a large mixing bowl and add in butter, sugar, and molasses. Your eggs. Then with your hand mixer on a medium-high speed, you want to go ahead and beat all these ingredients together until they are fully combined and light and fluffy. Now that that's all mixed up, let's go ahead and start adding in our dry ingredients. I know, you usually expect me to say, scoot that aside, grab another mixing bowl, but no. Holidays, stress-free. This is going to be one bowl of cupcake batter, easy dishes, easy cleanup, super quick, super easy. So first up with the dry ingredients, we're going to add in our flour, then our baking soda, our salt, our ginger, our allspice, our cinnamon, cloves, and our water. Then on a low speed, we want to go ahead and slowly incorporate all these ingredients together until our cupcake batter is fully combined and it's nice and smooth. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have gingerbread cupcake batter. Now go ahead and transfer them either to a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with a little tip snipped off, or just use a cupcake scoop, ice cream scoop, scoop, yeah, duh, scoop, and transfer them to your cupcake liners, leaving about an inch and a half of space from the rim of the liner. And once your liners are all filled up with this delicious gingerbread cupcake batter, you want to go ahead, pop that in the oven and let bake for a good 18 to 20 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes have baked, they've cooled. I let them cool on the counter in the cupcake pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to start decorating with marshmallow buttercream frosting. I'll be sure to throw a link to that recipe video down below in the description. I will also make sure that the recipe includes all the steps, all the ingredients, and all the helpful things that you might need to make this delicious, quick marshmallow buttercream frosting. Made it for the cookies, the hot chocolate cookies, and it brought these hot chocolate cookies to the next marshmallow level. It was so good. I highly recommend it, especially if you were a s'mores fan. But let's go ahead and take our marshmallow buttercream frosting and pipe on a generous amount of frosting onto each and every single cupcake. And after you load up all your cupcakes with that marshmallow buttercream frosting, you will have the perfect holiday cupcake with a lovely, decadent flavor that tastes just like gingerbread cookies. All the good things that are the holidays are in this cupcake. Like I said, it pretty much tastes like Christmas. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these gingerbread cupcakes. If you like gingerbread flavor, everything, I'm a fan. Gingerbread cookies, cupcakes, coffee creamer. If you are a fan, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, definitely click the subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. so you don't miss out on any yummy desserts I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own gingerbread cupcakes or if you're making up your own gingerbread holiday dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna grab a cupcake. I'm gonna grab my coffee with some gingerbread creamer, watch some Netflix, enjoy the day. I hope you are all getting to do the same and having a nice start to the holidays. I know it's fastly approaching and I feel like I still have so much to do, but this cupcake's calling my name. So as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye!